Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Nutrimill. Hi, welcome back to Grains in Small Places. If you're new around here, my name's Kara. Welcome to my channel. My whole channel is dedicated to fresh milled flour tips, tricks, tutorials, troubleshooting, and all kinds of fresh milled flour recipes. So today, as you can see, Nutrimill gifted me with a Bosch mixer, and I'm extremely excited about this because now together we can help you troubleshoot any of the issues that you're having with fresh milled flour breads. So I wanted to unbox this with you before I get into any of the reviews or anything like that. Now, I have been using my Ankersome mixer for a little over a year now, and of course, if you've been following me from the very beginning, you saw that I used to have the little tiny Bosch compact mixer, which has since been discontinued. I know it's a little sad, but it's a great little mixer. Also, before that, I had a little KitchenAid. So I've gone through many of different kinds of mixers. I also, for a very short period of time, had the Nutrimill Artiste, but now I get to finally try out the Bosch mixer, and I'm extremely excited about this because I've never gotten to use this. Now I know it's very similar to the Nutrimill Artiste. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this together, and then probably in the future videos I'm gonna share making some of my recipes in this. So I know that every mixer is a little bit different with fresh milled flour. Each mixer mixes a little different speeds, different ways, all of that. So we're gonna get into this together and learn it together. Also, Nutrimill is offering Black Friday sales right now. So if you're watching this video after November 2024, it may or may not be on sale at that point in time, but right now, if you grab this anytime from November 11th to December 2nd, this is actually $100 off on their website for Black Friday, which is a smoking deal. So I wanted to make sure you knew that. And they're allowing you to stack my coupon code with that. That'll get you an extra $20 off. So my coupon code is grainy, and I will put that coupon code in the description box below along with the link so you can check out the sales, because not only is this on sale, they also have a lot of bundles that are on sale. So just go check it out if you're in the market for anything for your kitchen, basically any appliance. I have a feeling this mixer is going to work perfectly with the Nutrimill grain mills, which if you saw my last video, I unboxed and did a review on the brand new Impact Mill. So if you missed that, make sure to go back and take a look at that. And then I've had my Nutrimill Harvest for years. So I love both of them. They're both great mills. So it's just a preference if you are looking for an Impact Mill or a Stone Mill, what price range you're looking at, and if you're looking for something wooden or white. So I guess those are the main differences in that. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing our Bosch Universal. So this is just when you order the mixer, what this will come with. There are tons of accessories that you can add to this if you wish, or like I said, they have bundle sales. Okay, so they do go over right here. They've got some optional accessories, where they have stainless steel bowl, which this one I believe comes with one. We'll check. Blender attachment, a slicer, shredder attachment. Two of those. I think one of these also might do food processing. Different blades for that. A juicer, and a meat grinder. So that's pretty cool. I know there's more than that. Oh, this is the ice cream maker. Silly me. So I did know they had that. Okay, so also I wanted to make note that Nutrimill has a fantastic warranty. They also have wonderful customer service. So if you have questions or you have an issue or a problem, contact them and they will take care of you. Okay, so this talks about the warranty. Okay, I wanted to look up the warranty really quick, so I gave you accurate information. So the warranty is a 3-year warranty on the motor and transmission, and then a 1-year warranty on the plastics. And then you can submit a claim right on their website as well. Hopefully you'll never need to, but just in case you were to need to, that's where you can do that. Okay. Again, this is packaged very nicely, just like everything that I've ever got from them, which definitely helps with any issues in shipping. So let's see if I can pull this out of here. Okay, I'm gonna move this to the floor so I can pull it out. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out how to get, this came in the box also. Looks like a scraper. All right, so, we have the little suction cups on the bottom, which helps keep it where you need it to be as it's mixing. And we have this beautiful mixer. So, this is the black with the stainless steel bowl. They also have one that's all white, so it's whatever your preference is. So the white one is actually $50 less than this, and it's also $100 off for the Black Friday sale. And this is actually kind of like a light gray. So this is kind of pretty. Okay, so this is the lid, and then the lid also has a smaller lid that, so this lid goes on, it looks like, and turns. So this is how you would cover it when you want your dough to rise, because that's completely sealed on the top of this. And there's little pinpoints in here that line your lid up. And so you would be able to take this off if you want to pour anything in here. So let's take this off. And then these have little adjustments where you would just slide the lid so that it doesn't fall out. That's nice. Okay. And okay, and then these are the wire whisks, I believe they're called. So if I want to make meringue, whipped cream, butter, anything like that, they just snap into place. So this comes with, like I was saying, this is just what comes with the mixer. They have a baker's pack that also has cookie wisps and cake paddles, or cookie paddles and cake paddles with a metal drive on the top. So that is something to consider if you're wanting to make cookies and cakes and things like that in this. And then, let's see. This is the kneading hook and arm, which this is all completely metal. So pretty like heavy duty, strong, not like easily bendable for sure. Okay, and then that also goes in a certain particular way. And we have our plug and our on off. This looks like it goes to, there's a manual where you would just basically hold it down, or you can set it to level 1, 2, 3, or 4. So with bread, you never want to knead your bread too hard. So that's one thing to note. Okay, this I have seen, yes, goes this way, is another drive for the machine, which you wouldn't leave the bowl on here, but I wanted to show you here anyway. But there is a little drive here that you can add a lot of the attachments to. So this mixer can be used on its side like this for using this drive. And it can also be used like this. So I will do my research and make sure there's not another way that I don't know about. Okay, I had to learn how to take the bowl off real quick. So you're going to turn it just a little bit, and then that comes out. So I'm going to show you the inside of the bowl. So the inside of the bowl is all stainless steel, except for the center drive part right here. And the dough hook is also all metal. Let's see. So there is one great thing about that yes, there is a little bit of plastic in here, but there's nothing, even as this goes around, none of these pieces are actually rubbing or scraping off the plastic. And I know that is a major concern for a lot of people. So I think that's good to know that yes, the center drive is plastic, but nothing is scraping against the plastic. So that's interesting. So the white Bosch Universal, I believe this bowl is plastic, but I think you can still buy a stainless steel bowl for that. Don't quote me because I would have to double check. So here is pretty good suction. Here's the other drive I was talking about. So you have the one that I was showing you here, and then this one where the bowl goes. And that this, I guess I should show you now, is how you can put it on its side to run, because some attachments will use this drive and come out here. So I don't have any of those attachments right now. In the future, maybe I'll get them, I don't know. Okay, so the bowl I was gonna show just sits on here, turns, and clicks. So it does click in and out, so that you know. And then I realized that the curvature on this little spatula that came actually is the right size to clean out this bowl, so that's nice. But all in all, this is a really nice looking machine. I'm really excited to try it out. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can see me use this in action. I'll let you know how I feel about it, and you know, the pros and cons and versus my regular mixer, but I have high hopes and I'm really excited to give this a try. So don't forget to check out Nutrimill's website because they have a fantastic Black Friday sale. But even if you missed the Black Friday sale, they do run sales throughout the year periodically, but you can always use my coupon code to save yourself $20. And what I think is really awesome is that they're allowing you to use that coupon code grainy for $20 off even those sale prices. So that's pretty great. Don't forget to check out my blog at grainsandsmallplaces.net, where you can find a whole bunch of recipes all dedicated to fresh milled flour. So I'll be back soon so you guys can see this in action. If you've got any questions for me, go ahead and leave those in the comments below now so that I can try to answer them for you in my next video where I'm going to be using this. That way I get all those questions answered for you. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this was fun for you. It was fun for me. And I thank you for being here. Thank you so much, and thanks for stopping by Grains in Small Places. Goodbye.